Have you ever stopped to think that animals might secretly be superheroes? Not with capes or masks, but with powers so strange and amazing they almost seem like magic. Take the electric eel, for example. It lives deep in murky rivers where it's hard to see anything. Yet this slippery fish can zap its prey with a shock so powerful, it's like nature's own lightning bolt. Scientists say it has special cells called electrocytes, kind of like tiny batteries lined up inside its body, sending out electric jolts strong enough to stun dinner or warn other eels nearby. Imagine having a little power surge whenever you wanted to say hello. Then there's the chameleon, the ultimate master of disguise. We all know it can change colors to blend perfectly with leaves, branches, or even rocks. But here's the weird part. It doesn't just switch to green or brown. Sometimes it flashes bright blues and reds, colors so vivid you'd think it was wearing a carnival costume. This incredible ability comes from microscopic cells called chromatophores that expand and contract, shifting the colors like a living mood ring. Scientists are so fascinated they're trying to copy it for things like clothes that change color or cars that blend in with traffic, though hopefully without the sudden flashing. And then the gecko. Ever wonder how these tiny lizards can casually stroll across walls, ceilings, even upside down on smooth glass? It turns out their feet are covered in millions of tiny hairs called setae, which create invisible molecular forces that let them cling like Spider-Man. No sticky glue, no suction cups, just pure science glued to nature's design. Researchers are dreaming up climbing robots and better surgical tools inspired by geckos, maybe even a future where climbing walls is as easy as walking on the floor. But here's the twist. While we're busy marveling at these known superpowers, the animal kingdom keeps throwing curveballs. There's a beetle that shoots a boiling, corrosive spray at predators, and a fish that can shoot jets of water precise enough to knock insects off branches with sniper-like accuracy. Who knows what other strange abilities are out there, hidden in jungles or lurking in the deep ocean? Scientists call it biomimicry, learning from nature's inventions to build cooler, smarter technology. So next time you see an animal, look closer. Maybe, just maybe, you're staring at a creature with a superpower we haven't even discovered yet. And if that's the case, well, keep an eye on your pet. The last thing you want is a goldfish that suddenly shocks you during feeding time.